Hi guys, ArchieLuxury live unboxing. Today we've got a treat. We've got a PAM. Very, very cool PAM. So let's have a look. This is the outer box. The outer box. It tells us it's a PAM 424. Let's have a look. So we're gonna open this up. Got a nice inner box. So it's actually that's the outer box. This is two outer boxes. We've also got this one here. We're gonna open this up. I'll get you to do that. Voila! Look at this. Voila! Look at what we've got here. This is the PAM 424. So we open it up. We can see we got the senior sales advisor who sold it. Always, that's a good thing to keep with it, I think. We got a polishing cloth, beautiful. We'll just take that there. We'll put that back in there properly because I don't think you did it quite right. Okay. It would irritate me, Dave. Okay, let's have a look. Winner, chicken dinner. Da da da! Wow, that's a beautiful logo there in the box. Official Panerai. And we open it up. Da, da, da. Wow, a California dial. What do you think?
It's a gorgeous piece.
Absolutely gorgeous. And this piece here, we got this from, who did we get this from?
Watch Time
in Melbourne. We dealt with Lewis. I'll get you to take that off. You take that off. Oh, you mean to do that? You can do that. Just push. You can do that. Thank you. So this was another purchase for our friend Dave. Dave's bought this. Don't break the strap, Dave. They're expensive. Okay, Dave, what are you doing? Oh, I don't like the way you're doing that, Dave. Don't do that. Just leave my PAM in the safe, Dave. Don't be touching that. Okay, so let's have you just take that off, Dave. So this is the Panerai, a PAM unboxing. This is the California dial PAM 424. Let's have a look. Oh my God, Dave, what made you love this? Tell me the story to this PAM.
I've always liked the California dial. It's a different dial to the rest of the PAMs.
Yes. What watches? There aren't many watches that do California dials now that aren't vintage.
Not that I know of.
And I just think that is sexy. It's got a big. It's got like a crown, like a big Pilot IWC,
yes.
You know, and it's manual wind.
Yes.
Not automatic, you know that, don't you?
It's in-house movement.
Wow! In-house, it's the P3000, the caliber P3000. Panerai! Wow, Dave. Wow. Winner, chicken dinner. What do you think of it? Tell me what you think.
It's a very good piece.
Scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of this piece?
I'd say that's about a 9.
A 9? Shit. That's just, he's got buyer's remorse hasn't kicked in. We'll have that kicking in very soon. See, this is just so retro and vintage. Look at the little wire lugs. They're wire type lugs there. I love the base 0 dial. It doesn't even say Panerai on it. It doesn't even say Panerai on it. It looks like just a generic, isn't it? Panerai. Look, people wouldn't even know what it is, Dave. It's got the PAM. I love the logo on the crown. It is a quality strap. Look at the clasp on that fucker. Just beautiful, isn't it?
The clasp.
Beautiful clasp. Flip it over. Flip it over. And we've got look at the movement here. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful piece. We've got the serial number there. Official Panerai P3000 movement. Nicely decorated. It's not as nice as, Patek decorating, but
it's not Patek money.
It's what do you expect from Richmond, isn't it, really? But no, look, I quite like it. I think it's a beautiful. Where else can you get a California dial?
And it's a newer model. It's a 2017.
And the story was the guy. Listen to this, guys. This is a retail horror story. He's got kudos at the boutique, so whenever he goes there, they give him a drink and they say, "Hello, sir." They open the door, so he feels obligated to buy, and then he sells them. He has them for a couple of months and sells them.
And pays full retail.
Pays full retail.
Yep.
And I mean, that's just silly, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you see any logic to that, really?
Not considering the discount that I got
Ooh,
for
don't
it.
put it on those books there. Okie dokie, Dave. I gotta say, it is beautiful. I do love the PAM. The PAM is beautiful. Winner chicken dinner. Winner chicken dinner.
I think Pam will recover eventually.
So how much did you pay for it? $7,450, and you used Amex,
yes.
which is $100 worth of merchant. Maybe $200 worth of merchant fees.
Yes.
Thank you, Amex. And the happiest moment for me with my Amex is when I gave it back. But
it's still under warranty. It's a new watch.
What's the warranty on PAM?
That's a good question.
Ah,
I think it was 2 years. I think it was 2 or 3 years
Okay.
warranty.
Okay. Well, there we go. Winner chicken dinner. Pam424. Tell me what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and tell your fuckhead friends. And don't forget, put a comment below. What do you think of the Pam424 California dial? I love it. I love it.
It's a good piece.
I love it. There you go. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, there we go, Dave. That's it.
Okay.
Can't take my eyes on me. My thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluter. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluter channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.